Welcome to Food Talk with Sharon. With Republic Day just round the corner, if you're looking for some fun activity with your kids, then today's recipe is something that you can definitely try out with your little ones. We're making a tricolor sandwich. So the sandwich comes in 3 different layers of colors representing our Indian flag. So let's quickly check out how to make this tricolor sandwich. But before we do that, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And please do click that tiny bell icon too and turn on all notifications. Now for the orange layer of this sandwich, I'm using grated carrots along with some tomato ketchup and mayonnaise. So let's grate some carrots first. For the green layer, let's use lettuce. So you can use either lettuce or finely chopped cucumber as well. So green lettuce along with some green chutney and mayo forms the green layer. Now what do we do for the white one? Well, I'm using some grated paneer here, mixed with some mayonnaise. Now let's assemble the sandwich. So for one sandwich, we need 4 slices of bread. You can cut out the edges if you prefer it that way. And then on the first slice, let's spread the orange carrot mix. Place a slice of bread on this and then spread the paneer mix on this. And finally, the green chutney and lettuce mix. And that's it. Our tricolor sandwich is ready to be served. So since this already has mayo, ketchup and green chutney in this, I really don't think it needs another side. But then you can always serve it with a dip of more ketchup, more chutney and more mayo. So I hope you enjoy making this with your kids this Republic Day.